Hi everyone, this is Rajeshwari. We are just going to discuss about the common errors children make in maths. This leads to them getting scared about maths the entire life. So let us just see what are the common errors that they make and how to avoid them. The fear of maths is called as numerophobia or arithmophobia or maths anxiety. And it's actually an anxiety disorder where they face the fear of dealing with numbers and maths. This can be avoided if it is encountered in the very early stages of a child. A child might not like to do maths, it might find it too hard, or it might think it is of no use in the real world. It's the duty of the parents and the teachers to make the child get away from the scare. Maths is not at all scary. Children will find it scary, they will find it tough to understand, and since it cannot be memorized and it requires quick thinking, they might find it really tough. But then, let's start with some of the common mistakes children make in primary classes. So, let's start. The first mistake they do is the use of wrong symbols, and the reason primarily would be confusion. Children are introduced to different symbols that have different mathematical functions. Some of them might look the same for a young child as they start learning maths. You are aware some of the childs have the mirror image problem. Very similar, they might have problem with understanding the symbols of division and subtraction, and likewise understanding the symbols of addition and multiplication. There are very minute changes in the symbol, but they make a lot of difference in the mathematical calculation. So it's the duty of the parent and the teacher to take time with the kids to see that he or she understands the role of each symbol. The only way this can be done is very frequent revision. So you very well know practice makes a man perfect. So now the second mistake, it's the confusion to add two numbers. When two numbers are added, we always add the units digit and any carry is taken to the tenth digit from the right to the left. But children will get confused if they have to add from left to right or right to left. Make sure the children understand the concept. First, start with small numbers and see to it that they understand the concept perfectly and why they need to add from the right to left. Once they are very clear with the small numbers, we can slowly move on them to the larger numbers. The mistake 3 which the children normally make is when they multiply two numbers. When we multiply two numbers, we normally keep the first number on top and put the second number in the bottom. And first we multiply the unit digit of the second number with the first number and write down the answer. Secondly, we multiply the tens digit with the first number and the answer is written below the first multiplication. But since we are multiplying the tens place, the unit place of the answer spot should be filled with 0. This will avoid further confusion in their math solving skills. So, mistake 4 is counting. When children are introduced to the concept of counting and are very new to it, they find it very difficult to cope up with double digit numbers or triple digit numbers. So, what can be done? We have to use different techniques like counting with rhymes, counting with objects, counting recitations to make them understand the concepts. Once they are very thorough with a set of numbers, the single digit numbers, then they should be slowly introduced to the double digit numbers. Being in a hurry only creates a lot of confusion. I think this will be it for today. I hope you enjoyed getting to know how to avoid the common mistakes that children make. Please wait for more recordings. Thank you.